808 Sunrise Loft. Today is Sunday. It's about 3:45 in the afternoon, maybe 4. My loft, the top of my loft, my young bird loft. And this is the view of Hilo. That's Hilo Bay right down there. Hilo Bay. Most of the time when we're racing, the birds come in from this side. Hamako Coast, Kohala side. So right around this area, right here is where the birds normally come in from. On a nice day you can see Mauna Kea. So right now I'm giving them an evening fly. Ready, boy? Right now my grandson is inside opening up the cages. Let's sit back and watch them get out. Here they come. They're already trained to come out from the loft. Jayton. Ten. The ones with the double bands no need come out, boy. The young ones. Once everybody else come out, can close them. So where are they? Oh, they're way up there already. Yeah. I got 5 over there. Yeah. They're still coming up. 2 more right there. Okay, close them now, boy. Inside the butterfly. There he goes. They're way up there. Yes, sir. Oh, they're getting up there this afternoon. Afternoon flight. Sunrise Loft. They're gonna be road training probably next week already. I cannot see them. I got the sun in my eyes right now. There they are. They're way up there. Okay, so they should be out for about half an hour, 45 minutes. Hey, there's another one. So like I said, they're probably gonna route. When they route, they go down to the ocean side right there where the white hotel or the white building is. Hilo Bay. They normally head down that area and route around the area for about half an hour, 45 minutes. Again, that's the location where they're going to be coming back from when they start racing. And that's the line of flight that I trained them all out this side. That direction. And maybe once or twice this way so that they know the 360 from where their house is. I got a lonely bird right there. Late flyer. Whoa. Everyone else is gone. They're gone. They'll be back in about half an hour and then I'll call them all in. Again, Dominic from 808 Sunrise Loft. Loft release in the afternoon. Aloha.